Remote communities in developing countries are often lacking even the most basic medical supplies for their members. Organizations such as Not Just Tourist Toronto can provide visiting guests with a suitcase full of much-needed items to be delivered to local clinics. Off the Caribbean coast of Honduras, Utila is the smallest of the Bay Islands. Six miles to the west, the Utila Keys is a small fishing village only accessible by sea. All suitcases are donated, packed, and organized by volunteers, and all the customs paperwork is provided for the traveler. The Pigeon Key Clinic is only open for a few hours one day a week. The Utila Keys Foundation is working on supplementing their supplies with the help of tourists visiting the island. The supplies donated are typically gauze, bandages, surgical instruments, masks, gloves, antiseptics, IVs, and much more. With very little effort and only a few hours from your vacation, you too can make an important impact in the lives of so many. Take a suitcase, change a life.